everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to reset the messages settings on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This can be really useful if you're experiencing issues with your messaging app or just want to start fresh. First, unlock your phone and go to the home screen. Swipe down from top to open the notification panel. Then tap on the gear icon to open settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now find the Messages app in the list. You might need to scroll a bit to find it. Once you do, tap on Messages. Here you'll see the app info screen. Tap on Storage. To reset the message settings, tap on Clear Data. You'll see a warning that this will delete all app data including file settings, accounts and databases. Tap OK to confirm. Optionally, you can also clear the cache by tapping Clear Cache. This can help resolve issues without affecting your personal data. Once you've cleared the data and cache, go back to your home screen and reopen the Messages app. It will reset to its default settings. And that's it. You've successfully reset the Messages settings on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any other questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.